Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a smartwatch payment device works in an easy step-by-step way. First, the user wakes the smartwatch and opens the payment app or digital wallet. The watch screen shows saved payment cards, such as a debit card, credit card, or transit card, so the user can choose the correct option before paying. Next, the user selects the card they want to use. The software wallet inside the smartwatch manages the saved cards and prepares the selected payment method for a secure transaction. After that, the smartwatch asks for authentication. The user may confirm identity using a passcode, PIN, wrist detection, fingerprint, face unlock from a paired phone, or other security method. This step helps make sure the payment is being started by the real owner. Then, the smartwatch activates its NFC antenna. NFC means near-field communication, and it allows the watch to communicate wirelessly with a contactless payment terminal when it is held very close to the reader. Next, the user taps or holds the smartwatch near the payment terminal. The terminal detects the watch and starts receiving the payment signal. This is commonly used in retail stores, transit gates, cafes, vending machines, parking systems, and contactless POS machines. After the tap, the secure payment chip inside the watch creates a protected payment token. Instead of sending the real card number, the watch sends encrypted and tokenized payment information to the terminal. This helps keep the user's card details safe during the transaction. Then, the payment terminal sends the transaction request through the payment processor and bank network. The bank checks whether the card is valid, whether the account has enough balance, and whether the transaction looks safe. Once the bank verifies the payment, the terminal approves the transaction. At the same time, the smartwatch shows a checkmark, success message, vibration, or haptic feedback to confirm that the payment is complete. Finally, the user can collect the item, pass through the transit gate, receive a receipt, or complete the service. In simple words, a smartwatch payment device works by combining a touchscreen wallet, NFC chip, secure payment token, wireless communication, bank verification, and instant confirmation in one small wearable device. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.